When am I baby? Ungowami. Uyadige nami. Ingowakho. Mangibuke ebusweni. Uyangikaza.
I'm from Komanzi, Gandeva, Chuguti, Uho region. Okay, well, Lutsandvo, blessed member. Tinina is a mitana. It was so fun, but more nice. Well, simply because before we physically met,
my name is Lutsandvo, blessed Mamba, Mrs. Nkondo. Yebo. Inzaba ikumita mancoba I don't know how to put it, but we understand because ngikhule in a church lapho khona kufundiswa ukuthi uyakhuluma ngoNkulunkulu akhulume even naso ufuna partner unakasa kupha partner. So for me, I think uNkulunkulu wangendela kanjalo because I knew mancoba ngibe ngamati, woke up in a dream having a perfect picture of him. And then wakupostwa ngulomunye wasesombeni ngathi hayi man now look good. But then I didn't know ukuthi le picture lokusingibe nayo ukuthi he'll be my partner. Batitshela nje ukuthi hayi indlela tekufutshela ukuthi don't meet endleleni.
That is to say, ngingamboni physically, but I had her picture. Yes. Then ngikwenta kwakhe ke Lutsandvo had a sister lebeka ngumzalwane esompeni sikhonda kanye kanye. Then she wanted help concerning the application M17 la ngisebenza khona. Well, then lo sisi lo friend yakhe referred her to me. Kanti nami sengigatsile ukuthi ngabe tawendeka kanjani ukuthi ngimbone Lutsandvo. Well, our first meeting physically kwaba kumahala eGalitos, if I'm not mistaken, around October 2019. Yes, so samitana lapho. Well, simitana is bomb nje laba mithanela natobonana ngoba the sole communicator over the phone for quite some time.
So waba ngumngani wami mina nje in my head is a friend. So decide ukumithana ngoba vele besingadani. Nangiyomitha ngingala ngaba happy ngakaka. Ngathi but la ngqondweni kude ukuthi njolo umshado ikho lemboleko angihle mahala. Ngawoka from esikoleni ngaya kuye. Ngafika ngamkhonza ngibona ukuthi oh okay. Yebo.
Well, at first, because ngangikhonda esontweni lapho khona kuthiwa you need to have attributes of the person you want to marry. Well, at first le bengikuthandazela akuzange kuba ngilengeni kwabona uNkulunkulu. Well, I wanted to have someone who can sing yabo nje yavile nje. Abe bright in complexion, abe slender like me. Well, but then ngekwenta kwaNkulunkulu nangekuthanza kwakhe, it happened that I saw Lutsandvo coming with something so precious to me in a vision. So, and then that changed my prayer. Yes, that changed my prayer. Because ngabe se angisathandazi ngoba ngicabanga ukuthi ngifuna umfluto bakanjani. ngase sengithandaza ukuthi Nkosi yenda tindlela tami nanothando tihlangane, because I believe in the speakings of God, more especially when it comes to a lifetime partner. Ngoba iqiniso lonke lithi ngingakufisa lokuhle mina ukhanze ukuthi lo lokuhle kakhulu kuNkulunkulu over lecabanga kwami nale ngakubona ngazi ukuthi let me just make an example, because angisiko lokhanyako mina, so bengifuna lokhanyako ukuze ukuthi at least nasibane bamfana yini kanti lelo lizinga leliphasi when it comes to God, because uNkulunkulu has a purpose for each and every one of us. Manje ngivumelekile ukuchikisa.
I don't know. If we could recreate one day from our own relationship, what would it be?
Well, it would be our wedding day. Yeah, no, that one was so. It was a life-defining moment, I think. Yeah, and more especially because we got the scope of our life. So, yeah, as for me, I think I will recreate that day. In fact, I can marry you over and over and over and over and over and over again.
Oh, okay.
Yes, I think the wedding day was, yeah. Are you happy with the intimacy we share?
Yo, so happy.
Well, I think I can add something on that one. We are so fortunate to have bomage labafanana nalaba le basesompeni. Yeah, laba vele nje ba but ngeSiswati bahluba indlu bekhasini. Yes, because
nabakhuluma ha but baletha so much light, kanganga ukuthi kwenda ilife yabalula.
Yes,
but kakhulu I love the friendship that we have. I think it adds to our intimacy. Yeah. I'm so happy about that one. Nje, to be comfortable around mobile, ngicabanga ukuthi umthando yo. But nje, yeah. I'm so happy.
Yes, me too. I'm so happy. Well, we're still learning quite a number of things, and yeah. But so far so good. So far so nice. But there's more.
Yeah, but there's always more.
There's always more. Yeah.
Just we have a lot of time till eternity.
Yes, true.
Till eternity.
True. Yes.
Another question. Am I yours?
Definitely. Ungewami. Ngike ngahamba ngekhumbi. Nangisesede imoto. Bekunengoma lebesho njalo. Sithandwa ngewami. Yes. So ungewami. And I'm so happy to have you. Yes.
And I'm so happy to have you.
Thank you.
Mina ngihlale ngibatsha kwaqhamuka umuntu nje nangisetown hamba ngiba ngishadile shem nalo bhuti lengishade naye yathi ngihappy naye chef cela ngingaqalile
nje buka phela buka to show that I'm happy always iring ihlala lami. Yes,
you are mine and I am yours.
and I'll forever be yours.
Mm.
Till forever.
Yes. Eternity, Baba.
Oh yes. So, do you feel pressure to make our love work?
Okay, yo. I'm not sure. Okay, I don't feel pressure, but I do it because I know love is a two-way thing, and I should do all I can to make you feel loved, to stand or to give 100% of my love to you. Or not 50% of my love to you, but 100%. I give my all after a little commitment.
Yes.
Was it's a lifetime commitment. Gwami kusebenza nje ukuthi as long as indoda nayi happy.
Yebo.
As long as happy. So yeah.
Yeah, okay, well, Nami, I think I don't feel any pressure, but I see the responsibility, and I appreciate the fact that we have a perfect picture to always look into so that our relationship works. So the only pressure I have is to conform to the standard of God. Then I think the rest yes, so I can't really say it's a pressure to make it work, because kukhona vele lo wenda sivumelwano sisebenze amandla emancane kakhulu man. Yeah, so yes,
only God can cause you to love, because konke kwaqala kuwe.
And konke kuyophethela kuye. So from the start to the end, it has to be God. And Nanyalo, it's all about Him. So I have no pressure.
Absolutely none.
Yes. Well, but diningi tinfo letendekako elangaphandle. As tendeka letinfo labanye bafile like ish asengende nako abuka ukuthi kwabuzibani kuhambe kwa yes okay, yes, you can continue.
Forgetting ukuthi we all have indlela yethu. 1, 2, uNkulunkulu lopha umuntu a partner angithi le institution nje emshado ihambelana naNkulunkulu. So if you wanted to work, you need to go to the one who knows marriage.
Yes.
More than you can go anywhere and everywhere. You need to go to God and ask.
Yeah.
What do I do? How do I do it?
Yes. Okay. Kunenvele ngifundzile kuleli viki leli. I was actually looking into life ya Sarah and Abraham. Kuthiwa kwafika isikhathi lapho khona Sarah athi Abraham yinkosi yami le. Ngase sengiyacabanga nje well ngokuthi kusho ukuthi nakasho njalo Sarah bekathole a pearl inside this man, inside her husband. And then le pearl or le treasure yamenda wabona hayi imvutsa nje yabo wabona umuntu lekangakhona ukuthi atitfobe kuye amthanze amtuse ambonge. Lokusho ukuthi the only thing I think I can have or lengayenda ngitendele kube kuhle kimi is just to open my heart so that you can have all of me, because once watfola lenhlitiyo yami cicile ngami mntwana. Thank you for letting me into your heart.
You're welcome. But thanks to you too.
look at your partner and say how they positively affect your life.
Oh my goodness, wow. Yo. Yo. Okay. It is quite obvious ukuthi kufika kwakho into my life brought so much happiness and so much joy, peace, so much peace. Kumenda ukuthi ngifune kwenda kangcono each and every day. Your love for people in a positive impact into my life because I learn to love people. Sometimes I look at you loving the people, and your selflessness towards people. Ungenda nami like ngahlala njani ngakwendi. Your love for God. Ngenda ngihlale ngithi ngihlale ngimantontolwane to work on my relationship with God, seeing your relationship with God progress. Your love for business. Ingenda ngize ngazi ukuthi yathi angitibuthe ngibe busy kube ngibe busy and do better. So yeah, I think.
Oh yeah.
Nekuthi uhlungubuthi hey yeah. Your advices, I take them. I do take them.
Well, for me, I think logo very obvious. Kubo bonke labangatiko bengithi umkhaba. Shokuthi nje yabo. So uyaqala mfana. Very soon. Yeah. Yes, okay, but then vele nje well le lokunetheteka lengukutfola endlini lengukutfola kuwe kungenda ngibe ngilokhulekile ngisho njalo. So yeah, ngite stress athi ngaze ngaye endlini uwi Nkosi yami. Yabo, so even when I'm at work yabo yeah vele ngiyasifisa lesikhathi sekujika ngibuyele endlini. And two, nalokuthi you keep on checking on me. Yabo, so I always know ukuthi kunemfundisi lo tangishayela at any point in time angibuthe ukuthi how is my day. So yeah, that's nice. Yabo. And I have every reason yokusebenta hard so that sibe nelikusasa lelihle. Yo. Yes. So you bring direction, you bring focus, you actually making sure that the vision I have for this family becomes a reality. Yeah.
Amen.
Oh yes.
Okay. Has marriage relationship changed you for the better?
Oh yes. Can you repeat?
Has marriage or relationship changed you for the better?
Yes, definitely it has changed me for the better. I'll just make an example. Prior to meeting you, benginama questions lamanyenti. And lama question lamanyenti bekangenda kokuthi ngibe stressed ukuthi empeleni vele basekhona yini bamfu le umuntu lekangamethemba ngenhlitiyo yakhe, lekangamthemba ngempilo yakhe, lekangamthemba ngelikusasa lakhe. because truly speaking, a relationship akusiko about feelings and I feel like loving. Yes, and kunjengekuthanda, love is a commitment. So when you commit yourself to the person, there are things like funa ukuthi letinye tato utilose. Letinye tato uti hand over to the person you love. So loving you kuvele yaman kangishintsha manje impilo yami. Ngifanana njengembali ba athi eMaswati lebese ithumbile kuqhakaza. So okay, bengifanana nayo before having or being in a relationship with you. But then now lembali it is beginning to blossom. Fine, kusasenza inthatha kusa, but there is a great or sesitofika kule mini lenkulu yalelanga ngisho njalo.
Okay, I think for me it has changed me for the better because I'm no longer single one. I'm no longer alone because you can have many people in the room, but still you are alone. You are alone. Kuna leskala leskona maybe now I had a best friend, but with my best friend Island every time. But we catch up where we left off. But when you came into my life, you became my best friend. I can talk to you and be free with you. From whatever lotogu showing, ndobe semile ngiva ngifila better. Every time akwende ngibebete ngingayitholi solution kwende ngingayitholi solution. So for me, having you into my life yenda this life thing ibe enjoyable, ibe a lot better because I have someone that I can lean on whenever I'm weak, someone that I can walk with, someone who loves me entirely. So yeah, let's check me for dear husband, I love you.
I love you, baby.
You're the love of my life, my God-given gift, my personal blessing, my number one friend, a best friend, my best roommate, my best companion, my soulmate. My love, ever since I met you, my life has proceeded from good to better. You have brought so much happiness, so much peace, and so much love. So much love and light into this life and into my heart. Through you, I have tasted and realized how much God loves me. I'm always amazed by your love. You love me every day, tirelessly. With you, I can be anything and everything, as long as I'm not just. It's fine. You've seen me at my strongest and at my weakest point, but still you love me. And you continue to love me. I mean loving me progressively. Thank you for choosing me. Thank you for choosing us. Thank you for choosing us for God and for ourselves. Thank you for being the best husband. Yo. Thank you for being the best husband. The one person that I look up to. I love the way you lead me, the way you lead us, the way you lead our family to God, and through God to our destiny. Love you so much, and I'll continue to love you, loving you more each day. That is always my prayer. Lord, shower me with more love. I want to be a better partner to my husband every day. I love you so much. I love you, my handsome.
I love you more, baby.
Love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.
I love you more. I love loving you. I live to love you. I'll forever love you. So long as we are alive here on earth, God being our Father, I'll always love you. Throughout all seasons in life, I promise. Njengoba ngakwethembisa ke nangalelanga sishada, but I'll always protect you. You are my most precious pearl. You are a treasure to me. Yes, cheers to love. Cheers to love, life, peace, happiness, joy, worthy, and to every good thing the Lord is going to shower us with. I promise that since the Lord made this awesome promise to us, that the latter wine will be more sweeter than the former, I'll definitely make it a point that you enjoy being with me, you enjoy being my wife, you enjoy being my partner. I may not have everything today, but definitely kusazoba mnandi, kusazoba lit, definitely. Oh, okay. I promise to always support you, to be there in each and every idea you have, just to be a shoulder to lean on, and so that you can be a better version of yourself. I love you.
Okay.
Thank you, Eswatini TV, for hosting us, and thank you for this to Swazi TV.
When am I baby? Umo wami. Uyatige nami.